Hey there, welcome to Producing Paradise. Our videos are there to help you create paradise in your digital world, especially at work and the digital workplace. We talk a lot about personal productivity and task management with our old flame Trello and our new flame Notion, a little bit obsessed. Other videos we've done so far have included how to use Siri as like a personal assistant, how to make a Google Slides theme, how to do a tax return or make the prep for a tax return a bit easier, and how to clear the photos off your phone with cloud storage like Dropbox or another service. Coming up soon, we'll be having some videos on Gmail search tips, inbox zero, my favorite, and keyboard shortcuts, or how to become a bit of a keyboard ninja to help make things easier as you navigate around. It really does help to take the time to learn those things. Sometimes these videos will feature my cat, otherwise known as Chief Relaxation Officer. And yeah, hope you like them, hope you find them helpful. See you soon.